Hi everyone, this is Lisa with Official Dolls. We all have foam scraps, don't we? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use those scraps. DIY mini book charm. It's our project for today. For supplies, you're going to need fabric, mini tassel, 2 eyelets and a crop-a-dile, chain extender, jewelry pliers, 6mm foam sheet, craft foam sheets, school glue, brush, iron, fabric, hot marks, hot tool, and hot glue gun. So let's get started. Pour some school glue over a rectangular square of a foam sheet. Place fabric over it. Glue the edges and also wrap the fabric over the edges. I have a finished piece here, and this is how it looks when it's fully dried. Now cut another rectangular shape. This would be 6mm foam sheet. If you don't have 6mm foam sheet, no worries. You can use 2mm foam sheets and just use 3 sheets, glue them together to create the center. Here I'm marking the center of my book. This is where I will create my hole to insert the eyelet. Also remember, I have templates of the book and the inside of the book on my description box below, but you could create this book in any size you want. The templates will just serve you as a guide. Now I will punch the hole with my crop-a-dile. Now it's a little thick, so I'm going to use the scissors just to cut it off. But it's a perfect hole for the eyelet. Now insert the eyelet, and you would finish it off with your crop-a-dile. This crop-a-dile comes in really handy. Luckily I had this tool in from my scrapbooking box, so I will definitely be using it more now in my foam projects. Next step would be to insert a tassel. I scored these tassels in my clearance section at the local Michael's store. But you could use any other embellishment you would like. Beads, anything you want. Now I glue the center part of the book inside. And then I finish it off by gluing the other end of the book. Now I cut a strip of brown foam sheet. Make sure it's wide enough to fit an eyelet. I want to give it a stitch effect, so with my hot marks tool, I'm just going to run a quick dotted line on the edge of both sides. Now I want to iron it. I put it in my cotton setting. And I'll just do a really quick iron, just because I want it to be a little bit more flexed and shape it around the book. And it's perfect. Now with my crop-a-dile, I'm going to set an eyelet on one edge of the strip. Again, since it's a little thick, you can use the scissors to help you out. Place the eyelet and finish it off. Now to finish off the book, you would glue down the strip with your hot glue gun. I had so much fun making this mini book. I hope you did too. Now if you want to make it a charm, you would just add a chain extender to it onto the eyelet with a jump ring. I used a pair of jewelry pliers. You'll see that in my next screen. And here's my finished book. Well, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, or visit my Etsy shop. All my information in the description box below. And comment, like, and share on this video. Thank you for all your support, and God bless.